Hello, guys. Today's gonna be like a wonderful day or a wonderful night because this is nighttime. Okay, right now, I go to tell you something about tomorrow in the U.S., in the United States of America. So, tomorrow is going to be snowing. It's going to be snowing outside. It says it's gonna be like snowstorm, so snowstorm is coming by 3 a.m. in the morning by tomorrow on Thursday. So I hope we can see bunches of snow. Northern Missouri. Northern Missouri. So in Northern Missouri, it's gonna be snowstorm in Missouri. I was in Kansas City. So, Kansas City, Missouri. And it's gonna be snow when I wake up in the morning. That's how when I see the snow. Like, if I go and see the snow or not, I have to see when the snow outside or not. Those are only my two choices. Well, since you guys have a nighttime, or you get some little sleep lately, the dinner will be ready like a couple of minutes, so I guess I will end that there. So tomorrow it's gonna be snowing outside, and it starts to snow in 3 a.m. in the morning, and so 3 a.m. in the morning it's gonna start to snow, and I hope see bunches of snow. Snowstorm in the northern Missouri. So I hope you guys have a wonderful evening, and I will see you later. Okay? So this is my soap. So bye bye.